We're going to learn names of family members and relatives in Spanish. Padre means father, and papá means dad. Madre means mother, and mamá means mom. Padres means parents. Hijo means son. Remember that the H is silent. Hija means daughter. Hijos means children. Another word for children is niños. Hijos is used when talking about children in relation to their parents. Ellos tienen 4 hijos means they have 4 children. Niños is used to talk about any children, like in the phrase Los niños juegan en el parque. The children play in the park. Hermano means brother. Remember that the H is silent. Hermana means sister. Tío means uncle. Tía means aunt. Primo means male cousin, and prima means female cousin. Primos means cousins, and it's only primas if there are only female cousins. Abuelo means grandfather or grandpa. Abuela means grandmother or grandma. Abuelos means grandparents. Nieto means grandson. Nieta means granddaughter. Nietos means grandchildren, and it's only nietas if there are only female grandchildren. Husband is esposo or marido. Wife is esposa. Sobrino means nephew, and sobrina means niece.